This is Brian Bachland from MarineMax Clearwater, and today we're going to do a video walkthrough of the 2018 Sea Ray 19 SPX Outboard. This boat has black hull sides with the white and charcoal interior. As we move back, we'll see it has the optional bimini top. This boat is powered by a 115 horse Mercury Pro XS 4-stroke outboard. So let's step on board and take a look. First of all, we'll notice the telescoping boarding ladder. Plenty of space to walk through to the other side of the swim platform. Storage for an igloo cooler under the pass-through hatch. A water sport tow post, along with a very spacious sun pad. Moving forward, we'll see the very spacious cockpit. Actually have a cooler under the center seat, storage under the starboard side seat, two captain's chairs for the captain and passenger, which do include flip-up bolsters, full array of analog gauges, Rockford Fosgate, marine grade stereo with 4 speakers, plenty of storage under the port side dash. And last but not least, the very spacious bow seating area. Very comfortable curved bolsters on both sides, grab rails. If you'd like to learn more about this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachman from MarineMax Clearwater, 813-503-2649. So give me a call, come on down, see this or any other boat in person, or schedule a demo, get on the water. Hope to see you soon. Have a good day.